Hello everybody. I hope you guys are having a wonderful evening. I am Shweta, your 3D diva, and today we're going to have some fun training videos on how to make yourself a 3D printed shield. Yes, we had to do it much before, but better late than never. So there's a whole process of what goes into making the shield, and in the past couple of days we've made so many of these and delivered it to the hospitals, and we want to continue doing more and more of this. So we thought that we would put together a video for all of you to watch so you can learn the process, and maybe sometime in the future you can actually make it yourself sitting at home on your 3D printer. Wouldn't that be cool? That's what we want you to do. Okay, so let's see how we go about it. Fun fact, this sheet is PT, and Coca-Cola bottles, they use a similar sheet. So people are actually making plastic shields out of those bottles, and it's like an amazing use of plastic that's not disposable. The headband is made of a biodegradable polymer called PLA or polylactic acid, and it's our design, and it's environmental friendly, so probably if you put it in the soil for 6 months, it'll be gone. Assembling a simple face shield. That's the 3D printed headband, the PET sheet, the bottom, and the strap that goes at the back to connect everything. The assembly is pretty simple. We just use the 3D printed headband and the PET sheet together by plugging the holes into the small protrusions on the headband. All you have to do is make sure the holes fit into the right size. So we need the bottom for rigidity and to ensure that the PT sheet is not hanging around flimsy. So we fairly attach the bottom just at the bottom in the hole slots that are provided on the sheet. And there we go, it's ready. We just have the strap to go at the back. We put it in the holes, and ta-da! That was like less than 15 seconds. Beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we would continue making more of these educational and training videos in the future, so you can benefit from sitting at your couch at home and making more and more of these amazing things. We love designing, we love innovating, and we would love it even more if you would start doing what we are doing, 3D printing. 3D printing is the god of everything instant, and it saved so many lives during the whole pandemic. We made everything from splitters to shields to masks, and we continue doing the same. I wish and hope that we can continue supporting our community in the future, and would love it if you could support us in the future endeavors. Thank you. Please be safe, please stay healthy, stay home, and keep innovating. Have an amazing day.